G'day, I'm Paul. I am in the BYD Shark, and that is my Ranger Raptor over there. We're going to do a drag race to figure out whether a plug-in hybrid ute is quicker than, I guess, the beast of mid-size utes, the Ford Ranger Raptor. So it's going to be exciting. Just like our other drag races, it has been bucketing down for some reason. It's just Murphy's Law, so this is going to be interesting. The way this is going to work, we're going to do a drag race across to the finish line from a standing start. I'm going to try a couple of different modes here to figure out which is quickest. Then we're going to do a rolling race, and then we're going to finish things off with a run from 0 to VMAX in both of the cars so we can get some quarter mile times, 0 to 100 times and all that sort of stuff as well. So just as a recap before we kick off, BYD Shark, this basically is an electric car with an internal combustion engine that charges batteries and sometimes also directly drives the front wheels. So there's an electric motor on the front axle, an electric motor on the rear axle, and then a 1.5 litre, 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine that is used to generate electricity. So it'll be really interesting to see how that whole combo works. I have charged the car, so it's at 90% now. So when it is charged, it basically has that full complement of power, and it's over 300 kilowatts of power. Ranger Raptor, on the other hand, twin turbocharged petrol V6. It has less power than this, but it also weighs less than this as well. This weighs around 2,700 kilos, and the Ranger is about 100 to 200 kilos less. So we have a lot of room to play with there. So it will be interesting to see how it goes. I reckon we're ready to get started. This is hilarious. The sun is now coming out as well. I'm going to run the Shark in sport mode. So you swivel this thing around to sport. I'm going to start off with ESC on just to see how it goes. It doesn't have any launch controls, so I'll just use the brake hold function and then just hit the throttle. It's in hybrid mode as well, so it will switch on the internal combustion engine if it needs to generate any electricity. So let's get the countdown. All right, we are ready. Andrew?
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, good start from both of them. Oh, what is that shaking? We're jumping up and down there for a second. All right, we comfortably have the Raptor there. All right, it's going to take a little while to stop here. Okay, so we comfortably had the Raptor there, even with the weird jumping off the line. Because it's got electric motors, it's basically trying to limit wheel slip, and you're sending so much torque instantly that it's kind of struggling to manage that. But we'll try it now with ESC off and see what happens. I'll also be interested to see how this degrades as we launch this a few times. Okay, so ESC off, accept the warning. That is off. Still in sport mode. Count us in. Andrew.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's perfect. We both got off at the same time. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is much closer. Oh, that was so close. That was really close. That was much closer than the other runs. I reckon let's just do one more because I reckon this battery's getting a little bit exhausted. I'm just keen to see what happens with one last run. Okay, last run here. This is obviously beyond the realms of realism. I'm just curious to see what happens when the battery sort of just gets a bit of exercise and isn't sort of cold started like it was the first time. Let's just see how it goes with this one last run. Okay, ESC off. All right, I think we're ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, perfect. Oh, we had a good launch. I think we've got him. We have got him. This is going to be close. Oh, come on, go, 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 go. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was close. All right. I think what we're seeing here is that as you go more and more with this, the battery is starting to get a little bit exhausted. Still got 78%, but it's getting a little bit exhausted. But still, Raptor, not good enough. Okay, so it is time for some roll racing. We're going to accelerate up to about 50 k's an hour. Over in the Raptor, Darren's going to select the gear manually, and then he's going to just nail the throttle and sort of manually shift. This has no gears, so I'm just going to get to 50 and just press the throttle. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the Raptor's any better once it's moving. Who knows? All right, I'm going to switch off ESC one more time. Let's roll. Okay, there's 20, 30, 40, 50, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's it, that's it. All right, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on. Oh, that was so close. Sean, we need some adjudication.
Raptor.
There you go. Fantastic. That was so much fun. So there you go. Shark has it off the line. Being electric, they always fire out of the box really quickly. But on the roll race, it was so close. So I think the theory is if you're ever at the traffic lights or a designated drag race area against a Shark and you're in a Raptor, you are going to lose pretty much every single time, even when the battery is exhausted. But if you are rolling next to a Shark and you both punch the throttle, well, it is going to be so close. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. We have stacks more content on the Shark. We've done a really exhaustive towing test. We've done a full single car review as well. So if you do want to see those videos, there are links in the description below. If they haven't gone live, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can see those when they go live. But until next time, take it easy.